Hello everybody, and welcome back to the third Java tutorial in our Java tutorial series. In this tutorial we're just going to be printing to the console, so let's just go ahead and try and do that. So as you see here, we have our main class. Now we're just going to delete this and we're going to make it ourselves. So in our source package, as I stated in the previous tutorial, this is where all of your code will be. It must be inside of this source package right here. So inside of here we can create a class, and yeah, the general convention is just to call it main. Alternatively, you can just call it the name of your application, but that's just semantics. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to quickly go ahead and disable our Copilot here. Okay, so from here you can just type in main, and you'll see IntelliJ gives us this pop-up window of where we can select the main. So it actually has this default template here, so we can just put in main and hit enter, and you'll see it creates this thing right here for us. We'll talk about that in a future tutorial, but all you need to do from here is write system.out.println and then do brackets, and inside of here you can put in some speech marks, and inside of there you can put whatever you want to print to the console. So for example, just hello world. Okay, and if you just go ahead and hit this little green play button right here and run main, you should see the console will pop up down here and it says hello world. You can ignore the rest of this stuff in here. That's what you're focused on. So obviously you need to make sure you do this exactly how it is here. So you need to make sure it's system with a capital S and then dot and then fully lowercase out and then print ln, all in lowercase, and then brackets, okay, and then speech mark, and then your text, and then close speech mark, and then closing brackets, and then a semicolon. It's very important you get that sort of format of doing things in your head. This is essentially the format you will be using for everything in Java. So it is the idea of doing something dot something dot something with brackets and semicolons, but we will discuss more on how things should be structured once again in future tutorials. And yeah, you can just do that as many times as you want. So we can just type it again, system.out.println, and you can put hi there. And you'll see that if you run it, it says hello world, hi there. Fantastic. So say you wanted to do this multiple times, it's a little tedious writing out system.out.println, right? So one great thing that IntelliJ can do is you can just type s out, and you'll see it has this pop-up here, and we can just hit enter and it automatically does it for us. If you're using Eclipse, there is a very similar thing where you can just type sys out and it will come up with the same thing. But for IntelliJ we have sout, and then you can just plug in your speech marks and whatever text you want. So beans, for example, and you'll see once again you can run it and it will now say beans. Fantastic. So that's pretty much it for sort of printing to the console. In the next tutorial we'll be covering variables, so that will be very interesting. And yeah, if you guys did find this tutorial useful, then obviously please do be sure to smash your face into that like button and give it a subscribe as well. And if you really found it useful, then please do be sure to share it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.